That innocent-looking puddle? It might be one of the most dangerous things your dog encounters on a walk. Urban puddles can be filled with bacteria and parasites, especially one called leptospirosis. It's spread by rats, raccoons, and even possums, and just a sip can infect your dog through their nose, eyes, or mouth. This bacteria can cause vomiting, fever, and even kidney or liver failure. And here's the scary part. It can spread to humans too. It's not just a dog problem, it's a family problem. Always carry fresh water when you're out with your dog. Avoid letting them drink from random puddles, even if they look clean. Prevention is way easier and cheaper than treatment. Protect your pup with pet insurance from Swifty. Check out our favorite gear in our pet store and keep your walk safe. Follow Puppy Paw Pal for more tips.